already.
That just
It's week 9.
goes by so
How
fast.
did we get there?
No.
Man,
One day at a time.
we've been waiting for the leaves to change,
Mike.
right?
Right.
So, yeah, it hasn't happened yet, but it should be a nice night for some high school football on Friday night. Saturday, it's a little iffy right now, but we'll keep an eye out for that. For the Circleville Pumpkin Show for the next few days, looking fantastic. Tomorrow, a high in Circleville near 69 degrees. Same thing on Thursday with brilliant sunshine. Then on Friday, 71. And I think if we luck out, Saturday may be just dry enough to get most of the festival shut down, closed down for the year, because we will have some sunshine to begin with. The rain holds off until later, so most of the day should be dry on Saturday. But Sunday's a different story as well. Here we are for the night tonight. We are brilliant, blue sky now, clear sky later. Look at that, just fantastic over the downtown skyline. 72 degrees at John Glenn Columbus International Airport right now. Wind out of the north at 12 miles per hour. Dew points are in the 50s, so your relative humidity is below 50%. DR Horton America's Builder current conditions pretty close together across the board. Everybody's between about 70 and 73 degrees. So a uniform air mass for the moment, but that's going to change because a cold front is going to try to get a little closer to us. And as it does, it'll throw us some clouds by first thing in the morning. We'll stay clear for most of the night, and then those clouds will start getting in here before sunrise. 65 by 8 o'clock this evening. This evening looks beautiful. If you're going to go for a walk in the park or take the dog out, it looks really great for that. Overnight tonight, we'll drop to 50 degrees, which is not too far above normal, but it is just a little bit. We'll stay mainly clear, and then the clouds will get here by about sunrise. So during the day on Wednesday, that cold front tries to make its way across the state. It's going to bring some clouds. We think it's probably coming through dry, though. It doesn't have a great moisture source, doesn't have a whole lot of energy with it. It's just going to plow through here, and it'll go away. Then high pressure builds in behind it, and that'll give us another nice day on Thursday. So despite some clouds on Wednesday, we'll clear out on Thursday, and then it's going to be another nice day on Friday. So at the bus stop in the morning, blue sky, an occasional cloud, 50 degrees to start the day, but we'll get back up into the upper 60s during the afternoon. We'll be partly cloudy when you're on your way home. So I think a lot of the day, clouds sort of come and go a little bit as that front makes its way across the state. 57 degrees by 10, still dry through lunchtime, and then a little sunshine breaking through the clouds again in the afternoon with highs in the upper 60s. So looking good for us. Staying above average just a little bit, but pretty close. We're going to go ahead and call it seasonable because it's not a bunch above average. By the weekend, we're 10 to 15 degrees above average. So this, by comparison, is very pleasant. 67 on Thursday, a pleasant afternoon with lots of sunshine. Friday, you're dry for the day, but the clouds will start thickening up later in the afternoon, which gets us to Saturday. You might get a shower or a sprinkle in the morning, but most of the rain holds off until later. So a lot of the day is actually going to be dry for us on Saturday, which is why I think the pumpkin show should be pretty good to go. However, by Sunday is the Columbus Marathon, and some showers and downpours are likely. It could be the first time that the Columbus Marathon has had a rainy race day. In the meantime, Monday, 63, Tuesday, 67.